Have you ever thought about building your own web application, but you thought to yourself, I don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'm not an engineer. I have no development or code experience. I can't do it. Well, let me tell you something. None of those are reasons for you not to build an application or a project or idea that you have swirling around in that beautiful brain of yours. So this video, I'm going to teach you how to build any web application you want by showing you the basics of Bubble in under 30 minutes. All right, what is Bubble? What can you do with it, and why should you care? Bubble is the world's only full-stack no-code platform. That means you can build full-stack web applications without writing a single line of code. If you just want to build a static marketing landing page or website, this is probably not the tool for you. This is really good for those of you that want to build out full-fledged applications. What do I mean? You want to build an Instagram clone? You can do it in Bubble. You want to build your own version of Twitter? You can do it in Bubble. Do you want to build Snapchat, Trello, Salesforce, or any other application that you need to log into, have authentication, users, databases? Then Bubble is probably the thing for you. Now, I know this probably sounds scary, so you don't actually have to get started from scratch. You can see I'm logged into my Bubble account. I got a couple of projects that I've been playing with. You can actually click right here to jump over to the marketplace. And in the marketplace, you can actually start off with some sort of template, right? A task management template, some sort of dashboard template, maybe just a social media template, and these will allow you to kickstart the process. Now, we like to design inside of something like Figma. So that's what I do. I do all my layout in a tool like Figma because at heart, I am a designer. But this goes to tell you, it's just a good reminder, Bubble is not a design tool. It's a development tool, a no-code development tool. But do your designing somewhere else, bring it into Bubble, and then let's get started. Speaking of let's getting started, let's dive right in. You can see we have a project right here called Designer Dashboard. You can create a new project by hitting Create an App, go through that whole process, and we are now here. We've opened up our project, and this is the interface. Let's do a really quick 30-second walk around of the interface. You're going to see so much of it as we go through this tutorial. I don't need to do an in-depth dive in right now, but let me just give you the quick show you around kind of feeling. So in the center, you have your actual project. These are your pages. Across the top, you have a bunch of stuff like errors, issues, arranging things, and previewing your application as well as deploying it or publishing it. You also have things like pages. Down the very left-hand side, you have a bunch of the main tools inside of Bubble. This is your design persona. We're going to find all the elements tree like your layers panel, as well as all the things we can actually put into our application. You have the workflow panel. This is where we're going to make things happen using logic. You have the data panel. If you want to build reusable styles, there's a style panel for that. There are gazillions of plugins that you can help add on to your application. I have a couple installed right now for notifications and icons, and you also have settings and a bunch of other stuff. But with that being said, let's dive right in and start working on one of the most important things you need to understand inside of Bubble before you go anywhere else, and that is how to lay things out. Doing layout inside of Bubble is actually very, very easy because it uses something called CSS Flexbox. That's very, very similar to Figma's auto layout feature. So stacking things in columns and rows is going to be the way to go. Can you drag and drop and move things around? You can, but you're not going to want to do that. I promise you. You're going to want to do things using the CSS Flexbox feature. Once you understand this, it's going to go really, really quickly. I'm going to show you the basics. We're going to build a login screen right now so you can understand and learn some of the layout tools inside of Bubble. And then we're going to fast forward through everything and get to some more of the good stuff. Jumping right into the dashboard, you can see we have a page here. The size has been set. We know that because we can double click on any element inside of Bubble and it's going to bring up this contextual panel. This is our page called Sign Up. This page is literally just a container. It's a group. And that's all things are on the web anyways, just a big container. So this container we've called Sign Up. It is a page, it's a standard page, but it also has some layout functions here. And you can see this little tab experience is going to be very, very important here inside of Bubble. This layout tab tells us we're currently on a fixed layout. Now that's not going to work for us, and you'll see why. We're going to grab a group, or what you might call a div of some kind, just a containing group. We're going to drag that in, and you can see I'm able to drag and drop that wherever I want. And maybe that's what you want to do, but that's not what I want to do. I want to lean on that CSS Flexbox technology to do the work for me. So to do that, I'm actually going to come in and I'm going to establish a parent-child relationship. Parent is my page and the child is the group. And you can have lots of parent-child relationships. Parent and child, That child can later on have its own child, and on you go. But here's what you need to know. Parents get to tell the children what to do, and the children have a little bit of freedom to do some things. As long as you keep that metaphor in mind, layout in Bubble is going to be a cinch for you. Okay, so we're going to grab the parent here, this container. We're going to move it away from this fixed layout, and we're going to go to use CSS Flexbox, either row or column. I'm going to go with column. That means we're going to stack things from top to bottom. As soon as I click that, you can see we get some options here. Do I want to stack things on the top? Do I want to stack things on the bottom? Now, this doesn't really make a lot of sense because you're going, where is my div? There it is, because we're stacking it to the bottom. If I stack it to the top, there it is. And in the middle, there it is again. Quite often when you're building websites and apps, you just need things centered, for God's sakes. And this is what it's doing for us. It's centering it for us on this axis. Now, it's exactly what we need. We're all done, right? We have our sign up page. Let's close that and let's actually grab our group. We can't really see our group, so why don't we fix that really quickly? I'm going to double click on that group and I'm going to rename it. You can either click here or on the layer itself. I'm just going to name this sign in box, or let's call it sign up box. We're going to need our users to sign up first, and then we're going to want to give it a style. So why don't we jump over to this appearance tab, and we can come down to styles. Remember, I told you over in the side panel, we have this little style panel. That's going to come into play right now because I've actually gone in and created a couple of reusable styles already. We're just going to start implementing those styles. And so I can come over to my style tab, and because this is a group, it has a couple of styles I've created, or we can create our own. We can style this thing right now however we want. Color, drop shadow, border, all that stuff, and create a new style. But I have a standard group style that I like. It's this white background with this nice subtle border. Boom, we've styled it. And this is going to keep things really consistent through our application. You want that. I promise you, you want that. Remember I told you that our child has a little bit of freedom. Well, the parent is telling it to stay in the center this way. The child gets to, actually, when we click over to layout, decide where it wants to be. On the left, whoa, watch out now. On the left, on the right, or in the middle. We want it directly in the middle. This is going to be great for responsive design. Now that we have our element in the middle, we can actually come over and start to style it a little bit more between our appearance and our layout. Okay, so our layout here says it's fixed. Again, we don't like that. We're going to want to put things inside, and so everything inside is going to dictate the space. So why don't we set this one to column as well? And when we do that, you can see that it's jumped back over to the left-hand side. Let's put it in the middle again. There it is. And look, you can see it has some padding inside. That's what those little lines are representing around the outside there. The padding, when we click on it, we get a bunch of really great options here. We want to start putting the content inside. What do I mean by content? I mean form fields, buttons, logos, all that stuff. It's all going to filter to the top, which is what we want. And we can apply some even gap spacing. Why don't we do something like 16 pixels to start? And I know this doesn't make a lot of sense, so why don't we start putting some elements inside of this, shall we? We are going to actually go over to our visual elements, and I'm going to grab something like an image, and I'm going to drag that inside, and I'm going to go looking for an image, right? I'm going to search for images. We actually have an image panel, so why don't we go over really quickly to our data, and you can see we have data types here. We also have a file manager, and we haven't uploaded anything to our file manager, but we have a lot of good stuff that we could upload. So why don't we just grab our assets for our project? I got some avatars it's going to be our characters. I got some logos, and I got some projects we're going to post. So why don't I grab all of these? I'm just going to say upload and go into assets and upload all of, well, we'll start with, I guess, just the logo one at a time, and let's see what happens there. We should be able to, again, upload logo, boom, like that. We're uploading the file. Perfect. Let's try again and see if we can get a couple of avatars in there. We'll just do one avatar for now. Okay, so we got some elements that are actually inside of our database or our file manager. We can actually click on this and we can get the URL or the address or location of it. Go back over to design. We have that image. Let's double click on it again. And why don't we paste the URL inside there? Okay, perfect. Layout, what do we want this to do? Right, we want this element to stay in the middle. And why don't we start to dictate the size a little bit? We don't want it to be fixed width. And what we want it to do is we can set minimum and maximum widths. And that's the case for everything. So we can actually just take the minimum width off. Let's do the minimum height off. And let's do something, for instance, like, boop, 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 boop. Yep, I'm going to grab this element. And why don't we say a max height of, or max width, excuse me, of like 60 pixels, something like that. I think that works. And our max height is, we're going to keep elements aspect fixed ratio. That's going to push it to the top. Let's make this a little bit smaller, even. It doesn't have to be so big. Something like 24 or 32. I think that's going to work out well for us. Fantastic. Now we're going to do the same thing with our box here, because our box right now is set at a generic size. We're fixing the size. We don't want to fix the size. What we want to do is not make it fixed width. We want to give it a max width, right? So our max width could be, for instance, 600 pixels. Let's take off this minimum width, put 0 there, 0 on the minimum height. And we could put a minimum height on it, actually. So minimums are not so bad. Let's bring this down to something more like 480. That's starting to look good. And you can see that we're going to fit the height to the content. So as the content starts to fill this box, it's going to actually expand vertically our box. So this is very, very similar to auto layout. You put things in an auto layout, you tell it the scale, that's what it's going to do. Next thing we need is some text. Why don't we drag that inside? And you're going to see a really similar process happening here over and over, which is we're going to continue to tell these elements to fill the space that we're giving it and just count on the gap and the margins and the paddings of the box itself. So again, we've put some text inside of there, and we're going to say this is probably going to be something like a headline 3. Why don't we put something like over in our layout, we'll edit the text right in here. We'll put something like Design Champs. That's the name of my community. It's right there. You can see it's kind of wrapping. We don't want that. So we're going to not make it fixed width. It's going to fill all the way. Our appearance, we're going to make it center aligned text. And that's looking pretty good. Fit height to the content. Minimum height, we could take this minimum width and this minimum height off. You're going to see me take this minimum width and height off a lot, because that's going to make everything just flex to the actual object, in this case, the text. So now we can go back and play with what we want here. Maybe we want more of a heading 2. Okay, we can play with that. Center align the whole thing, and center align it one more time. That looks pretty good. We're going to need some text underneath it. I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to shoot this down to be something like body. Center align that as well. And I'm going to say, we'll change the text here. Ready to become a champ. Sign up today. Something like that, okay? Boom, we press tab, and you can see our box is not expanding yet, but we're going to get there. I'm going to grab this again really quickly, this text. I'm just Command-C, Command-V, just grabbing it like that. I'm going to left align these ones, and now I'm going to start thinking about creating some input forms and some labels to go with them. So first we have, when you do a sign up, we probably have something like name, and we're going to just copy these a couple of times, right? Because this one is name, this one's probably going to be email, and this one's going to be password. Now we need the input fields to go with it, and eventually we're probably going to need a button. Why don't we just slap a button in right now, and we'll do those same layout elements. We don't want it to be fixed width. Let's take minimum width off, and this one off. Now minimum height we can actually work on, or we could use padding. You can see we have really similar to Figma auto layout. Let's do like 16 pixels of padding on the top and bottom. That looks pretty good, and it's bringing in the style for us. So over to appearance, and we will say sign up, just like that. And now we have our button. Now all we need is some form fields inside, and we're going to do a little bit of spacing using the actual like parent container to help us out. We'll create some nested containers here. So I'm going to close up visual elements. I'm going to close up containers. I'm going to go into input forms, and I'm going to drag an input out there for me. And we're going to do the same thing again. We don't want it to be fixed width. Do 0 and 0 here. It says the words type here. So if we come over to appearance, we have some placeholder text. Let's put, your full name, or you could put, Tom Sawyer or whatever it is you want in there. So we'll put something like that. But you'll notice that these elements, our label and our form field, are like a little bit too spaced apart. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy and paste, and let's zoom out. I'm going to bring this up under here. I'm going to copy and paste again. I'm going to bring this up under here. Now you can see our form's kind of coming together, but it's just, it looks a little bit funky, the spacing, right? So what we're going to do is grab both of these elements, and I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to group elements in a column container. This is just like auto layout. It's going to slam it together for us. And now each one of these groups, if you'll see, we'll do it again, column container, put these together again and group them in a column container. We now have all of our elements. They're in one group, so the spacing there's a little bit tighter, and we could probably change that spacing if we want to, but I'm just going to leave it for now, because now you can see everything is being controlled by this gap spacing, so this row gap. So we can, if we go up and down, we're spacing things apart a little bit more. It was at 16. I kind of like it at 24. Notice how our entire form is spacing out, and it's spacing everything nice and evenly, right? So we can go down to something like back down to 16. I think that works. And if we wanted to, for instance, put these two things together because they belong together, we can do that. Now they live together a little bit more, right? And we like that. This one's fine because it's going to grab like some text there. But why don't we click on this one? It's supposed to be an email. So why don't we come up to appearance and say your email, and then we'll change the content format from text over to email. And there's lots of different ones we can use. This is actually going to do validation work for us, which is really great. And then we'll do password. And what do we want it to be? We want it to be a password. Now this thing is almost done actually. So why don't we go ahead and preview our project. You'll see it opens up and it has this bottom panel. That's for debugging. If you want to get rid of it, just go after this question mark, delete everything, and reload the page, and you'll get it as it should be. We have a fully functional form here that could take our name, it could take our email, it validates it. So we're supposed to have something.com, maybe like email@email.com. There's the validation, and then you have the secret password that's going to get put in, and we could click sign up. Now when we click sign up right now, nothing is happening, and that's because we haven't given our web application any logic. And that's actually the power of Bubble, right? Instead of using any other website builder, because this isn't a website, it's a web application. So we're going to come in here and we are going to click on this button, and now we're going to discuss data and we're going to discuss workflows. I'm going to jump over to the data tab here really quickly. And you can see we have different data types. Currently we have a project data type and we have a user data type. You can think of these like bags, you know, the user bag, and everything that we put into that bag is a separate user. Each of those users that go into the bag might have a slew of information like name, email, password, avatar, right? And so we can create these data types, these types of data. So for every type of data that we have, you're going to have app data that goes along with it. You can see I've already created, just to speed this along a little bit, our users. We already have a couple of users. I created those manually. You could do that in a database, and an SQL database. We're just doing it here inside of Bubble. We also have some projects that are already built that we're going to be pulling in later on. But we have some of our users, and those users have an email, an avatar. We know what date they were created, all that kind of good stuff, and they will have a secret password associated with them as well. So now that you know that we have data, now we have to talk about workflows. Kind of a boring looking tab, but when we click on workflows, we can do all sorts of stuff. But let's start over in the design tab to set off our workflow. I'm going to grab my button here. I'm going to double click on it, and you can see that we have this button. This element is currently clickable because we haven't checked that. Let's add a workflow to this button. There you go. Our button has showed up. We can hover over it, and there's a button. Now we can do something. There's lots of options for a button. We can do things that have to do with plugins, analytics, payment. You can integrate Stripe into this and actually start taking payments. But for us, we're going to do the simplest thing we can, which is do something that has to do with the account. We're going to sign the user up. Okay. Now it's going to give us a couple of options here. It's going to say, hey, we need at least these things to sign the user up. Where do we get their email? You know where you're going to get their email. We click here. Let's put in some dynamic data, right? We're going to put input your email. That's the one, right? Input your emails, value. So when we say input your email, that's what we named that layer, right? Input your email. And then we're just going to grab the value of that, and we're going to go ahead and click off. And look, now it's saying we're going to input your email. That's that form field, your email, right? and then we're going to find it evaluates as text. That's the value of whatever is in there, whatever our user dropped in there. Let's do the same thing. Let's go your input passwords value. It's kind of a weird name for it. We probably shouldn't have named it that. We can do requires password confirmation, send the email confirmation to them. All that is good. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to our preview here, and you'll notice it tells us we did some stuff in the background. We got to update this page. So let's refresh it really quickly, and now we can create a user. So why don't we do something like John Wick, and we'll say Wick at assassin.com, because that's who he is, and then we'll do a password, okay, something like that. We will sign up, and success, but nothing happens, right? Well, something actually did happen. We'll go back into our project, into our data, and let's just refresh this data. Let's refresh here like this. We should see the John Wick data enter into our database. Here we go. We're loading it up. And there he is, Wick at assassin.com. He doesn't have an avatar yet because we haven't given him that capability, but he's in the system. But nothing happened after we signed up, and that's because we didn't tell Bubble what to do yet. We didn't tell our application what to do. We just said, hey, when he signs up, when he fills that stuff in there, sign him up, put him in the database. Why don't we give it the next step? And that's going to be navigation. Once he signs up, let's navigate to a page. Which page do we want to navigate to? Well, we bring this over and say, send me to the index page. Send me to the home page. Do we want to send any data along? We could do that. Do we want to open in a new tab? We're good. We'll do it just like that. Let's come back. Let's try that one more time, okay? We're going to put this time, my name is Taylor, and we're going to put Swift at swifty.com, and we're going to put in a password, and then we're going to press sign up, and Bubble is going to input us into that database, and it's going to log us into the site, taking us to our home page. In this case, we've already built our home page. It's a dashboard experience, and our users are now logged in. They're part of the system, and now we're going to give them a little bit more functionality. The difference between developing websites and web applications really lies in the level of functionality that we extend to our users. With a website, you're really creating a bunch of content, and the user's functionality is limited to reading that content. But in a web application environment, we want them to have way more functionality, and that level of functionality is usually boiled down to an acronym that we call CRUD. CRUD stands for the user's ability to create content, to read content, to update content, and then later on to delete content. Those are the pillars of web development. And we could do all of that using Bubble. We've actually already done some of that along the way. By creating a login form with authentication, we have now created users. We've created content in our database. And all we have to do is now figure out ways to display that content or allow our user to read that content back. You can see once we hit our dashboard, I've actually come down here and just created a couple of text areas and image areas. And when I double click on those, you can see that we're pulling in some dynamic content here. This dynamic content says, hey, we want to grab the current user's email and we want to print it back. We want to display it so our user can read it. Same thing for our avatar. So when we run our program or our application as Taylor at Swift, you can see that her email and her avatar are printed down below. This is part of that reading experience. But what about updating? That's where it gets just a little bit more complicated, but I'll show you what we've built out here. We have basically in our template, we've created a spot for our projects to be, and we have a button. You'll notice when I click on the button, there's a workflow here. I click on that workflow and you can see my workflow says when I click on this button that's displayed here, I want to bring the pop-up. I've created a pop-up. It's also hidden in my template. It's just sitting there waiting to be used, and I want that pop-up to show up. That's all I'm saying, right? And we can actually see our pop-up. We can unhide it like that. Here's what our pop-up looks like. It looks like a similar form that you've already built. It has a file upload. It has a spot where we can put our project title and a description, and we have a button where we can actually create a new piece of content or a new piece of information. Go into data, you can see we have a data type called projects, and it takes a bunch of fields that we've created, a description, an image, and a title. And we even have some app data. You can see if we're in the projects, we have a bunch of design projects we've created. And so this template that we've created is using a repeatable container. One of those other elements over here, these containers. Basically, we style one, and as much content or data there is of that type, it's going to display right here in this repeating grid. We've made it responsive. We've made it look exactly the way we want to. And now the content is showing up like so. These are all the content elements that we have inside of that database, all the projects. And we can create new elements as well. I can come in here and press Create Project. Notice that it brings up my pop-up, my overlay, and I could do things like I can go out and look for some project information. I can upload it. I can add a new title here, and we can put some test content here as well and press save, and you'll see that it's gone ahead and it's updated that content right there. Now, once we've gotten here, we're able to create content, read content, but what about updating that content and actually taking current information and changing it? We can do that as well. I simply come into any current content, and I have that same process going on. Click on this element. You can see there is a workflow associated with it that is going to be able to basically take this stuff in my workflow, and it's going to update the content. Basically, the steps are, hey, I just want you to grab that content, shove it back into that pop-up, bring that pop-up up so I can see it. Let us work with it a little bit more. Jump over into our project. You can see I click the 3 dots. It's going to load all that content from the database right into our pop-up, and we can do a lot of stuff. Notice that this one has a delete option here. That's some of that hidden content. It says, hey, if we're going to do this update process, we probably want to give them the opportunity to delete. But you'll notice if I'm going to create a new project, I can't delete something that I haven't created yet. All we've done is just take content in, take content out, and options and different controls. And so when we open this thing up, we could change the name of it. We could delete the project completely. Guess what? That's going to go ahead and delete it in the database. You can't find that one anymore. You can manually manage this data as well. Go ahead and delete that. And that one will be removed as well. Let's go ahead and refresh. We should only have those 4, just like that. The data is being managed in real time. So now you've learned how to create content, to read that content, update it, and delete it. There's so much you can do with Bubble. The question is, what will you do with it? If you watched this video all the way till the end, good on you. Congratulations. This is a very high-level overview of what's possible with Bubble, but there is a lot more that we could dive into. That being said, if you got stuck, if you have any questions, feel free to leave those down in the comments. Definitely check the description for some helpful links to help you learn Bubble a little bit more quickly and help you along that learning curve. If you haven't yet, you should definitely sign up for a free account of Bubble. Play with it. Try it. Learn what you can do with it and grow with it. It's an exceptional tool to help you accomplish your goals. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I do lots of videos about design, development, no code, and maybe even some more on Bubble. If you like this Bubble content, let me know. I'll make some more videos about it. With that being said, I hope you have an amazing week designing amazing things, making amazing things, and using tools like Bubble to build your dreams. I'll see you in the next one.